Study. Nice to meet you guys.
Hi,
PJ,
good
What's up?
night.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, what's up?
the fashion. You don't know that day here. We have the Jamaican Throuples. Is that the word? Am I pronouncing that word right?
Yes.
Throuple.
Throuple. However it go, that word was not in my vocabulary until a couple of days ago. And my vocabulary is immense. And that word was not in my vocabulary. I'm be honest with you.
Well, we appreciate, being the one to add it to your vocabulary.
Okay. With that being said, people, I'm going to let them introduce themselves. Knock yourself out.
Introduce yourself and put in your social media and your future project before you guys start talk, so we get that on the front of the video.
Alright, so I'm Sash.
Go ahead.
I'm King.
And I'm Will, of course.
And together we're Jamaican Throuple. So our social media page, what social media page? I always forget one social media page.
K_Sash_lovers.
Alright, so that's my page. Will
be Blair, we're simple.
And mine is delicious1_01.
So we already have a restaurant. It's fishmania_seafood_grill. So you can check it out. Yeah, good seafood, good jerk chicken based in Kingston, so you can do that. Our Twitter page. Oh, Twitter page, baby.
Polygamous.
Our Twitter page is the Jamaican Throuple as well. Polygamous whisk. And our Snapchat is the Jamaican THR. So you can add up our Snapchat as well. We have a YouTube channel as well. That's Polygamous Love Whisk.
Double SK.
Yes,
Guys, Whisk is double SK.
Thanks, Kim. Kim. Thanks for the tag, Kim. So say somebody in the comment section.
That's a restaurant.
Yeah, them restaurant.
Yeah, that's a restaurant. So
yeah, man, the food.
So you can add up the restaurant, the best in Kingston. Just. Alright, thanks, Kim. Alright, so that's us for now.
So people, that's a page for them restaurants, and you can find them there. So I pin it down there in the comment section. So we know the badness comes.
Come on, respect.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Will, that's a name, right?
Yes, that's my name, sir.
You're living most men's dream, literally.
Oh boy, bad fear that. It can be a nightmare to you, you have to know what you're doing.
True. Where's the lie?
Let's start.
In my lucky, but then everyone might lucky.
Then whatever that is, I won't be adding nobody to the live until they finish speaking. After they finish speaking, I'll give everybody a chance to ask them the question that they want to ask. But at this time, we're gonna ask some questions and let them speak through you. You understand me? Just go and enjoy the live, and I know this is going to be an interesting one to watch. Let's see, pray. We could start like this. How did this come about? Start from the beginning. Give us a little. Here you
go. I guess.
Alright, I gotta tell you my part.
Yeah, so I have different parts to it. Well, we set this through. I have different parts to a story. So I guess we'll want to tell theme part first.
No, me I explain to them, say. When I get this alone more explain to them, like these two were always together, alright? Let me forget that.
Yeah, we worked together before we met him.
So yes. So they'll tell you their story. And when it comes on to me, intervening on the relationship, that part will be told by me.
Okay.
Alright,
fair enough. I like where this is going. Alright. So ladies.
Alright, so we met Will on my birthday.
No, it just depends.
Oh, sorry. We met Will on my birthday.
No, talk about
Alright, so me and Kay, we've been together a year and a half before we met Will.
Yes.
Okay.
And it's always been us.
Let's go on this. You know what?
Oh, anybody here?
Did it pass, Naz?
Yeah, you pass, but me no pass. But you pass.
Okay. So
Good now?
continue then. Let me pass that order.
Alright, so
Delay upon.
yeah, so
Epic, you have a delay, you know.
Yeah, delay.
oh, he has a delay.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to figure out what I'm going this because I heard something. I couldn't figure out what it was.
Right now you're having a delay, B.
It's still a
Is it
delay.
the Wi-Fi? No, it can get better.
It's good now.
Yeah, good luck.
Yo,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah,
I'm a
we're good now.
Bluetooth chip in.
Alright,
I'm a
so as
Bluetooth
me I
chip
say,
in to yourself.
you know, me and Kay got together 1.5 years before with him. You know,
Yeah.
and we didn't have any intention of inviting no man in our thing. So,
Especially me, come on.
especially she.
Yes, the bad.
Especially she. So I mean, I want kids and I don't want kids with somebody that's random. You
We
know what
both
I say?
want kids, and then instead of going to this, I mean, nothing is wrong with going to the sperm bank or just doing it one time and getting pregnant. But I mean, what gonna happen one time the child start asking about oh, him father part go? The child is going to actually. I don't know, but I'm just saying that probably, and everybody got understands the media just want to go to sperm bank. Who to tell?
I personally wanted to do it natural. So I mean, you know, we talk about it, she really wasn't with it. And when we met Will, you know, like she was kind of fussing about it same way. And at the first, may ever have a it's not a one night stand, it's after day. We don't know to explain, but like we met him today, you know, and we had sex with him the following day.
No, we met him today, hang out the same day, and then had sex the other day.
Explain that part because we gonna lift the whole of the thing in the top about how we start and how not to work with each other. Oh, me?
So, down with the food.
So Will, when we met Will, Kay was interested. I was the one that was interested. You know, cause she full attitude and she had
Hold on, pause a second. You were the one that was attracted to him.
Yeah. Yes, first.
Initially. Okay, go ahead. I'm listening.
You know, and she never depend that. So I'm like, yo, babe, like, why we can't get a shot? I mean,
It's not necessarily someone never depend that. It's just, I mean, I like him didn't want to lock you up, you know? Come on, reason with me. I like him they gonna lock you up.
Oh, come see
How they
that
out
lock
there
you up.
after curfew.
Define lock you up.
I won't elaborate on it, but I mean, come on. I like him they gonna lock you up. They can't just expect me for good.
We break the curfew hours and he was supposed to be arrested.
Alright, skip that. Me catch on that one. Skip that.
Yeah, we
Alright,
can
so anyway, you know, I like him, I take him number. You know, we went home the night. I'm say my Jong, she Jong, you know, we went home and me taking number because more get rid of him. So I had no intention of even texting him. You know, and when him reach home, you know, he called in the middle of sexual activities, you know. And she was like, yo, any more, me I say, no, like make him see what I want, you know.
You're mad. After the day I say, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
So we put the phone down and then they are going to entertain him a little bit. Anyway, hang up this man. This man called back.
He called right through.
Kay was like, yo, I can't bother with this, stop and whatever. The man arrest. You see from
catch the phone.
You see from video call the man that one time, the man arrest the phone. She was like, yo, block him. I'm like, no, you know, same kind of cute, and you know, cause he sent us some pictures. And I say, you know, same kind of cute, you know. And strangely, I don't know why, but my spirit they kind of feel some type of way about him. Strange. Cause normally it would have more like it be her, but it was me.
My spirit feels some type of way.
1 second, pause.
No fighting.
Pause.
Yeah, man.
Wanna share the live. I don't order upon the live. Wanna share the live. Share the live, please and thank you. And whenever when I see this, after we repost this video, whatever platform you see it on, please like the video, please share the video, and please comment. It helps with algorithms on social media. Follow my new page on Instagram, Father Epic TV, because I guess I'm doing a live here every week now. Because the Father Epic page, I should say, because the Father Epic TV under some little problem. And please follow me on YouTube, because I remove my own channel, Father Epic over this house of the world. You understand me?
Yeah, and for me, it's the same where Nadia _ official_FR on Instagram, and on YouTube is Naked with Nadia.
Say what now?
All right. So where are we? Yeah. So what the day we are saying? What the birthday in a race, you know?
Yeah.
The man are calling and the middle of every action. So I was like, yo, Kay was like, yo, black him. No, me I said, no man, you know, same kind of nice. I will go see him and work with. Anyway, come on for the call. As in, we literally never sleep because he was at work, so you know him not sleep. So him expect we not to sleep either. Anyway, the following day him called me and said, yo, go on, he's off, so him want, you know, Curry go some go heat. You know, at Christmas, not really go on. So we went to each other's place, as in went to my house Christmas dinner, then we went to Kay's family house. He wanted to come home with us, which we wanted as well, but we're not gonna tell him. You get me? I say,
Yeah.
we want to carry him home, go do him some things and them things, but we never want to tell him. So
Yeah, you have to
I mean,
be a lady about it.
yeah. So you know, and anyway, he wanted to come home with us. I would say, yo, you're going. Him saying that he work, so we say, all right. He made a dead. He literally did that we did that, but we never tell him. We came home the day and the Boxing Day now, you know, we just use the head and say, oh, we have a games night.
Yes.
So we invited him over. When we invited him over, we, you know, the day and we have vibe and we have drink and, you know, eat some food and, you know, the day when we look, you know, we see Kaya suck out one piece of tongue.
Me sound like such a whore man. Sure. Spin the buckle that go on. All them things that are going and truth are there that are going. So I mean, come on, I'm a darer. What you think?
So we're there and you know things just got heated and you know we got overly excited and we got very extremely, you know.
And thank God no one got pregnant.
And
thank God the condom did burst. Thank God the condom did burst and anybody didn't get pregnant.
Everybody was everybody was frost, everybody was high, so it was a whole mood. Huh?
No, I'm not planning. No, I'm not planning. No, it burst. It burst.
Okay.
And then it burst. We change it, and it burst again, and then we change it.
Because you know when you drink.
Man, no how to
you know, you know when you drink.
Condom thing to Epic.
No, one you again. But I'm not about to condom.
You just start. I just the mood with the hin and the violence of the sex. I mean, I say about violence. You were just happy.
We love to will I want the tendency we love gripping a short and I look at something like this. I look at edge there.
Yeah man, that look rough up and box something there in that. Yeah. That's it.
Never box me yet.
What? You're into S&M and these things. Well, how are you going with over there? S&M.
I know
these things you're into.
The worst part about it, you know, when we just meet, we will think we was a saint.
Wow, we quiet, we barely want to talk.
You see when we tell we to be himself, are the worst thing we could do.
Better chat for me to a morning.
You see when we'll grip you on a you know, I don't want to say certain things because of the violation, but yeah, you guys get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Is when it comes to sex and will.
You know what? You like the shaggeries, Epic. You love the shaggeries. You love too much shaggeries.
But I'm saying, like, listen. Let me just give a recent sexual activity that happened the other day. You know, we had a little vibe and we are carrying on and everything there. And I'm saying to you know, like, you know, I think I was giving Will head. I was giving Will head, and Will spitting on my face.
Jesus
Christ.
Will spitting on my face.
Hey. We sign a contract, you know.
And I'm saying, I like in the moment, it kind of turned me. I'm not gonna lie because I mean, when it comes to my partners, I mean, whatever to make them happy. So I mean, him like the dominant shit. I'm normally dominant when it comes down to K. But now we have a man in a relationship, so me have to hold my ground, you know. So
have to be a little more
I
submissive.
mean,
Have to be a little bit more submissive then.
yeah. So you know, he grab me and I go out himself and box me 2 times and me look. I water my feel I drop down in a face and them thing there. So you know, me look up and him like I give me that look that look there. And the more he give me that look there, the more it turn me on. And it worked for me.
But
I mean, at the
guys,
first somebody.
a lot of
Yeah?
people may look for you and say you look like the butch stereotype lesbian, right? A lot of
Because
people
Yeah,
think
facts.
that. But for me, I would like to say that for a lot of people who are not familiar with LGBTQ people, on look, the way a person look, the outer appearance, don't really mean or show the sexuality, because sexuality and how we a person look or dress is 2 different things. Because a lot of people might not think that you would be with a man or consider being with a man. Hence, I would like to ask you, what do you identify as, if you do identify?
I don't. I'm just sashing. I'm just sashing. I don't identify myself as anything. I'm just sashing.
All right.
That's just me.
Fair enough. Fair enough, because I want to clear that up, because a lot of people will just look on you and just assume, okay, she butch, so she lesbian.
I mean, that happen every day.
Listening to you speak, but I'm fine with you. But I'm fine with you.
I'm
Listening to you speak, but I'm fine with you. I'm not lie you. I don't know the attraction, you know, about the attraction part, you know, because I'm kind of honest and I talk. You know, the attraction part. Slim, like, oh, she woman, you know, yeah. Yeah. But I don't know about you, you know. But I'm not fine with you. Because I'm sitting here tough like that. You listen to you speak and I realize you have that little flick there. You have that little flick there.
Yo, I can't stay in the street, man, you know? I can't stay in the street, but me just a little bitch in the bedroom. But I can't stay.
Correction. She's not a little bitch in the bedroom. She's a big bitch in the bedroom.
So, hold on now. On a serious note, I want every question coming at this, you know. I want the good, the bad, and the ugly question coming at it. On a positive note, on a more serious note, I should say. What do your parents think about this? All of you.
We all go first.
We all go first.
It's your choice. Your choice. Go ahead.
Anybody can go first.
Give me all
Alright, so I'll go first. I'll go first. I'll go first. I'll go first.
Yeah.
Alright, so you know, naturally, I grew up in church. My parents are, you know, God-fearing people and all of that. But I'm an adult. I'm 30 years old. To get it all here. My mother doesn't like my lifestyle, but she supports me. If you get what I say.
Yeah.
She not like, I mean, society already abash me.
Yeah.
And I am supposed to look to her for support, so she never be one of them to bash me as well. You know, I am already her child. You know, she said, I don't like that. At the end of the day, the wholesome lesbian idea, she never liked it. But no man come in play, she love it even better. So I mean, she
get her grandbaby, so she like it more.
Yes. So me getting a child, you know, that was one of her greatest fears. Because she said, yo, when they do with a woman, how do you get kids? You know, so now that she saw a man come in play, I mean, she feel better about the situation than she did before. So she support us. I can just say it, in all honesty.
All right.
You.
Okay, your turn. I will. Which one?
One don't care.
Will.
Will, since K shy. Go ahead, Will.
My father did when me 13, so yeah, but he would alright with anything me I do. No, I know my father too. My mother, she did born into that person. She never liked the idea. You see me? But because she said she could get me, or she could have walked my mind around her finger and say, yo, do this and I'm going to do it. She said she never did that one, so she just say, you know what? A 2 woman, and I think I overreact. When I just find out.
Can't beat them, join them.
Yeah. You know, you gotta have parents who have got pretty enough things, enough little things, maybe even for your mother, just to say, as an example, maybe your mother will look on the fact, say, a 2 woman and she not like it because maybe it might love one more than the other and all of them go food. All them things they come into play too,
Alright, for me, not touch my mother topic. That's a natural disaster by itself coming. But my dad, he not always agree with me, but he's 120% supportive. That's it with him. Just want to say certain things when I bring in a thing way and keep it in my little bubble. But once I run him or if not with the run him, all of just come like him kids. Him just they care about that part. Them just don't want you about lifestyle and all of that. But my sister especially, she is 100% fucking supportive. Sorry for the bother, but she is like my number one fan. She and my dog and her parents, my number one fans. Trust
the dog though.
Camel love no, really? Camel name everything for everybody.
But
except
let's just say the only people that are against us are society. You know that's natural.
Yeah.
Especially funny enough, especially the LGBTQ community. Like LGB what the B stand for? Can somebody please tell me? Because I think I probably no, it doesn't look like that. Doesn't look like that at all because the bashing that we get, it's not normal. And then some of them will go talk about will a party man because in the boat. Even if it was like that, I mean, aren't we LGBTQ people? We do everything.
That's the thing, that's one of the question my co-host had. My co-host was saying, because when him look on the page, he was like, what's that look?
You give me a second, me ask it myself. Will,
all right.
Space them look a bit, me ask that question. Space them look a bit. Come as a laugh at them, what I say. Come look at you. Listen, when?
Yeah, listen.
Yeah, put pretty like this. Let me see. Yeah, let me see pretty. Come like, look why she. Yeah. when we see the pictures, them, see me, G?
Yeah.
So a picture of she just like a thugs. You just like a thugs. And mama pretty. Look beautiful to me. What me you want to ask now?
Yeah.
As a straight man, what attracted you to her? We can't see the attraction to you. We can't see the attraction to pretty, you know. What attracted you to her now, Sash?
Come on, like, you gotta ask me a question, and I think most people are gonna know the answer to before me will say. She has a great personality, and me, when we just meet her, I literally see through all of the toughness, all of the bad way she are going like she bad, and manly way she are going like she manly, isn't it? Me could have say. No, listen, even, you know, sometimes when she don't notice it, her feminine side come out enough. You see me? Like you can literally see say she's more of a woman than she show people.
Mm-hmm. What?
Yes, that's the truth. To me.
Because you're a man.
No. The only time you actually, you know, I when a day in the bed, you see me? I wanna like how you dip on my lap right now. She look feminine to me, I swear, you know?
Ease up.
That's right. Even the way you look, from you being on the live, the most feminine thing you do from you being on the live is when he start talk. You see, look the way you look up on him, and the most feminine thing you do when you dip on the live. You hear me? You hear me, I say no, brother. And a big man think, I'm gonna ask the question them way. The man them want to ask. Which of them stuff by you more? Although I can't answer that myself, you know, more, you answer it. Which of them dip on you more?
Hold on. You can't answer yourself.
Answer yourself first. Hold on.
Answer yourself.
Pretty. You can't say it because she look like...
No. Me and him argue the most. Me and him fight the most. Me and him on a friend the most.
I'm not afraid to be wrong.
I swear, like, Willie Days right now, and me and him loving the be and chirping and all of that, and him just do something, and me and him just at it.
Alright, let me just put it this way. I am attached to she more I am attached to him more. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, me catch it.
Is it the two of them? Yeah, the two of them.
Yeah, I just
the
me
two of
and my
them.
own have a dog and cat.
Yeah, but when it comes to me and them cool,
me and
I
them
just
cool.
share them. Yeah.
Basically, the mediator.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
understandable now. Understandable now. Makes sense. Now it makes sense to me. Because
Yeah,
she seemed like one of her like as a talk she ready for cuss, you know. But
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Listen, it's in my attitude, not even shit pits think like my attitude.
So she's
yeah,
man.
Mom, you see where you move your head alone. You don't have to tell them nothing else. You never have to say no words, never have to come out of your mouth. Just a little more than a head something there. There's a problem. Me know a problem look. Brother, me know a problem look. You don't worry. Me know our problem look. And me know a problem that. Me know me say a problem. You know what I'm saying? Me know a problem.
Listen. But don't let it. Problems can be solved. I am fucking trouble. Alright? I am my own trouble. I am not solvable. I am once it pick me up, you're just stuck with me. You understand? Death before dishonor.
Epic!
Where's the epic?
She make man receive a road and one talk and then a woman beat them. A woman not gonna make woman beat them. Yes.
Fox.
Trust me, we protect you. I guess I know me I walk like me know you. As I start out, me I do like me know you. Me I protect you.
Pray for love, say Pretty is the jealous one in the relationship because she never wanted a man in the place.
No, there's no jealousy.
Listen. I wanted a third person. It just wasn't a man. I wanted a third female. But then when I look on it, I said that too much controversy, too much mix up, and all of that. And then such is like
you would basically more than likely think you on the lesbian side, even though you are a femme, or what we would have called femme.
Listen, I am K, I am fun, I am open-minded, I am me, I am a freak, and I am fucking awesome. I am awesome. So, if that may classify me, then I have no one word for me. When you see me or even talk to me, there is no one word for me. Like, just an hour with me, there is no one word for me.
Yeah.
None. I've never met somebody, like, after finishing, I'm going to say, waiting about me. There is never just one word.
Yeah, for me, I believe like sexuality is on a spectrum. Nobody is either one way or the other. Like, we don't know why people love to put people in a box to say you're either straight, lesbian, you're either gay. No, like, there's no one.
I am human.
Yeah.
I am human. I don't even want gay rights. I just need some human rights right there. I am human. I don't need gay rights. I need human rights.
Exactly. I agree with
you. I am supposed to have whatever relationship it is that I feel pleased. I'm supposed to can walk past you. The chair is supposed to can walk past without having time, they can't hurry. And everybody has segregate what are the good, what are the bad. Like, I just not understand why our lifestyle affects everybody so much. Some people say that we're an embarrassment to the LGBTQ community, which
and we have nothing to do with the LGBT community.
I don't even tell people so many gay rights. Ask my mother from young. I've never told my mother any gay rights. I said it's human rights. I am me.
Thank you, Lisa.
And it's what I want to do. It's what I feel comfortable doing. I am proud of my relationship. I am proud in my own skin. I'm not going to talk like this and then when we go out the road, it's like a whole different conversation. Nope. Same thing I get here.
I would like to add that in the LGBTQ community, bisexual people get a lot of hate. They don't really recognize bisexual people because they want it to be one way. And it's
especially the men, for the men.
Mm-hmm.
No, but that only happens.
Especially for the men. In Jamaica. If you have 10 women, and you go do that one time, they must say a fish. See they must say a fish. No go around it.
How much I would like to say how you feel about the future with your relationship?
Hold on there. Pause for a second. Rifle love. Youth, we rate you. Whoever you are, rifle love, I respect you. This question deep on my mind and more ask you know. And here it comes, so never ask it. No. Right for love. Have you guys thought of getting married?